G'day. This is a tutorial for using FilmQA Pro. When you open FilmQA Pro, in this window here, open this tree, scheme tree, and left click to edit the patient data, change the demographics, entering as you see fit, last name, first name, UID and or date of birth. Hit OK. And a feature that will be required to be added to the software is accessible via treatment object management, which is a right click on case object management, and ensure that film calibration from multiple bitmap no background is added to the available objects from the library. From here, left click to add a film calibration mosaic, and right click to open multiple images from files. This will give you the option to upload multiple scans that you've acquired of your calibration films. Here I have 0 to 500 centigrade and 1,000 to 3,000 centigrade. These scans were acquired along the central portion of the scanner. So this is to ensure that the lateral non-uniformity artifact is minimized. Once you've come to this portion of the process, go ahead and establish your regions of interest on the central portions of your film. And move to tool, calibration tool. From here, choose the 1, 2, 3 button and populate your table with your dose levels. So, of the available calibration functions, the vendor recommends using rational quadratic or rational cubic. However, increasing the dose levels, you're able to observe whether or not these functions find the solution with the values that you feed it. So in this instance, quadratic does not find a good fit, neither does cubic. So we'll go ahead with color reciprocal linear versus dose, as you see a good fit, and confirming that hit this statistics button to turn on your statistics and ensure that your consistency relative average RGB value is less than 2%. And in the dose region that I'll be that I've exposed my films, I'm getting a good consistency value. This was at a TD of 12 gray. So proceeding from here, open a dose map single scan and right click to open an image. And from here, open your QA film and reorient it accordingly. And choose your region of interest. At the moment, this says reference, which is incorrect. I will change this to a region type dose. And I have scanned a reference dose of 12 gray. So assign a calibration value of 1200 centigrade, and a 0 dose. And in doing so, this will actually better my consistency values for when I do this scaling. From here, I will register film with fiducials in the vertical and horizontal orientations, and then proceed to open dose to plan comparison, where I can choose my treatment plan, which is in text format. From the drop-down list, choose exio.ascii.txt and proceed to select my region of interest. When I am ready to make my assessment, I'm required to map my dose, and so I will recalibrate using reference regions using dose linear scaling. Once that's been chosen, you need to rebuild dose map. So that assigns the reference doses to correlates the doses from the reference and the calibration. So once you have acquired your calibration, you can also save this for your batch by right-clicking, save calibration, mosaic data as treatment object, so that you can now use this calibration for subsequent analysis, and you don't have to recalibrate unless you need to. So I'll just name this test in my case objects. So when I have a subsequent analysis, all I have to do is left click on case object management, open case object from file, and load test. So now moving to tool image comparer. I'll now verify from my ISOmap to make sure that my region of interest that I've created does not go out of the bounds that of the region of interest that's been created on the dose maps single scan. I can increase the area of region of interest in dose data single scan, or adjust it here on the fly. And verify that my passing rate is optimal at the moment for 5%, 1.5 mil, and 10% threshold. Here I want to ensure that assign fiducial 0 fit after fit, assign fiducial 0 reference after fit is selected, and then fit my my dose map to my plan comparison using fiducial fit, horizontal, vertical, and rotational. From here, seeing that my passing result is optimal, I could proceed to creating a report, or just for the sake of completeness, move to optimize and hit the optimize button, where the software does its fit. Once you've reached a steady state, you can stop the optimization, and verify here that your unit type is in millimeters. That's done by right-clicking over this area. I can see that I am getting a 100% pass rate for shifts of 0.2 and 0.3 millimeters in the X and Y, or a total of 0.3 for digital fit. So from here I can verify my path selector and increase the length of my line to verify my profile. If I do move my profile from, I can re-register and then proceed to re-optimize. In this case, I won't. So from here, I can hit report and report for the color channels that I care most for. So green and red, and verify, and even append a Genesis icon if I have a JPEG file. I can append it to the report here. Under ISO lines, I can choose to edit the contour levels. So this was a 12 gray max dose. So if I limit this to say 20 gray and 4 gray and hit apply, you can see the isodoses change, and I can change the color of the isodoses, hit apply, and assign certain isodoses for interest's sake. So once you're happy with the information that you have reported, choose the histogram, ISO map, ISO lines, and either use a defined profile. Just ensure that it's a comprehensive report, and then go ahead and print. Thanks for watching.